Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to convert a WebP image file to a different type of file so you could use it in your graphics applications. So I wanted to do this mainly because I could not open WebP files in Photoshop Elements. Supposedly you could open them in the latest version of the real Photoshop, but not with Photoshop Elements, and I've tried the plugin things. Supposedly there's some plugins that you could use too, but I could never get it to work. So this is what I get. Cannot complete your request because it is not the right kind of document, and therefore I can't open it. So what we're going to use to get around that is a free program called XNConvert. So they have an installable version and they have a standalone version that you don't have to install anything, you just run the executable like here. So it's download the zip file, extract it, and run the executable every time you want to use it. Or you could just do the installable one, you'll have a shortcut icon for it. Or you can make a shortcut to the executable from here as well. All right, so I have this open, so I'm going to drag this file into there. All right, so now we want to go to the Output tab here. And so you can change the file name result if you don't want to go with the default, because it'll change the name of the file so it doesn't overwrite it. All right, so we have format here, same as original, and then we have all these different formats here. So since this is a transparent file, I'm going to pick PNG from the list here. You could do a JPEG or whatever other kind of file you want, but I want to keep it transparent. So I'm going to pick that. And you have some settings here for compression level and so on. And if you were to change it to JPEG, you'd have some different settings, so just keep that in mind. Okay, then you have some options here, what to do after conversion. Open it up, beep, exit. You can preserve the metadata for the file and so on. Then we have a settings tab here too if you want to check out some of these settings or make any changes. We're not going to worry about that for now. So we have our file here. We're going to convert it to a PNG, so we'll click on Convert. Okay, so just like that. So it adds underscore result to the name of the file. And so now when I drag this in here, you can see I have it in here and it's transparent as well, and then I could do what I need to do and just keep on saving it as a transparent PNG or save it as a JPEG or any other type of file that Photoshop Elements supports. And of course you could use this program, to convert your graphics files for other programs besides Photoshop Elements. Alright, so once again, either download the zip file and run the standalone version or the installer version. I'll put a link in the description where you could find both of them, and then you'll be good to go. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.